Welcome to Spy Money. We are doing our SuperTrend bot, and this is for our opening. I'm running 10 contracts today. We should get a short right here and then come down. When we do, I will pause the bot, and let's get our stop down here. Hopefully we can go down and hit those real quick. There we go. So put our stop there, pause the bot, and we did 1674. I probably put my stop down a little bit too quick, but I was 10 contracts in, so I wanted to go ahead and stop it. So we'll take this one as a winner today, $1,674. Actually, I guess that stop was actually pretty good. But what we did was we looked for this trend, didn't allow it to take this long because we were in a downtrend. And since we were in a downtrend, I stopped it. It would actually be in another long right here and may be pretty good. Yep, it would have got our first target already. So the long would have been good here, but 1674.20, that's after commissions. I'll take that. And we'll call this a winner today. So we would have got our first target up there. Let's see if yeah, we would hit our first and second target here. So we would have made a lot more money if I'd left it on, but that's fine. The strategy is to get one good target and let it be. Once you get one trade out of it, take your money, call it a day. And that's how I play this one. That definitely would have been a great trade, but it's not my strategy. It's just not what I do. Hello, welcome back to Spy Money. I went ahead and turned my bot back on. I'm already up to 1674.20, but I feel that we're going to probably push straight on down and come back down to this level again. So let's see if we can get some more money out of this. And to get me a little better day. I would have made money on both of these, all three of these trades. So hopefully this will push down and get me some more. See what it does here. We're profitable, so if we lose a little bit, that's fine. But I think that it will probably push right on down, at least down to this level here. So we'll grab our stop and get ready. That way it pushes down. So the least we can make is, well, come back down. I want that to push, so I'll put it right there. There we go. So I went ahead and took some more profit on that. So I'm going to go ahead and pause the bot, and we will take this for the day. I'm done. So 37.63.40. I'm done for the day. So you guys have a good day. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you're interested in SpyBot, I'll show you where you need to go with it, just so you will know. Come over here to my website, go into SpyBot Auto Trading Bot, and this has got all the information. Frequently asked questions. I've got 6 courses online. We got setup and download, the parameters, settings, training videos, webinars, and you just go through and learn how to do it. We have different videos that you can watch and see what it's actually done. These are, I think this one is actually a live trade. I'm pretty sure it is. And this one here is showing what you would have done if you'd run 4 different strategies from the London market through the end of the day. And so this one shows, and this one was a little over $11,000 is how much you would have made if you would have traded the bots. And that was only trading 4 contracts on those. So go in here, down at the very bottom, we do have 2 different things down here. Oh, and this does work with the funded accounts. You can pass your accounts with that. And we have the SpyBot Auto Trader here. When you do this, you automatically get the VIP member for free. So you don't need to buy this too. So it's like getting this for $800 and that for $200. And we do all kinds of training videos and so forth on here. I teach you how to trade in this right here. Plus you get the courses on my website. If you're unsure how to install, we offer a setup fee of $400. I log into your computer, I load all the bots, some settings, and show you how it works. Not in great detail, but show you pretty much how to get it turned on, how to use it, how to load your settings and things like that. The training videos that we have in step 5 will teach you how to run the bots, and the parameters in step 3 teaches you how to use the settings in the bots. So but to get through the setup and the downloads, you can the $400 will get you through this and through 4. And I do basic training on the videos, or the training for the setup. And then your webinars, that is where anytime I do a training, I announce it on here, and you go in here to register for it, and then get logged on later. If you have any questions, you can go up here to contact. If you go to contact, put all your information in. If you want to talk to me, put your phone number in, tell me a good time to contact you, and I will get in touch with you. And we can get you signed up with SpyBot. Another thing you can do, if you're not ready for the lease, you can do the VIP club, and it's only $199 a month, and it gets you all of this information. It's actually pretty good. You get a lot of training in there, all the courses and so forth. If you're not wanting to do that yet, we also have a sign up to where anytime I do a free webinar or new releases, you will get that information. If you're not real good with Ninjatrader, click on this right here. This will open up and give you a free course. Free Ninjatrader course. Yeah, free, 100%. No credit card needed. So you can get in there and do that, and that will help you out. I go through a lot of things, how to set up different things, like let me do this here. You have the colored buttons over here. Some people don't know how to do that, how to set up like a background image if you want. There's all kinds of different things that you can do with this. So it actually works really well. I'd go over to ATM strategies, how to set those up, how to set up your accounts, and get your connections. There's a lot of things I teach, from the basics to a little more experience level. So it helps you get through knowing how to use Ninjatrader, how to use your charts. Like if you go into your chart, how you can resize these candles back and forth and scroll and all that. I teach you a lot. So it's all free. Get in there, get started, and let's get you started with the SpyBot family. Look here. This would have been more good trades. We had a good trade there, a good trade here, and this one would be too. So there's a lot of money right there that you could have made, or I could have made, but I didn't. You guys have a great day. Enjoy yourself.